alaikum everyone, this is me Wahab Ali once again, and today we make a video, and this video is about some basic sentences that we can use in our day-to-day life. So the first sentence is kya musibat hai, what a bother, what a bother. The second sentence is जब तक सांस तब तक आस, जब तक सांस तब तक आस. Hope sustains life, hope sustains life. जब तक सांस तब तक आस. The next sentence is दो कौड़ी का इंसान, a person of no value, mean दो कौड़ी का इंसान, एक शख्स जिनका कोई वैल्यू ना हो. ठीक है, हम उसको कहते हैं आप दो कौड़ी का इंसान है. सो a person of no values. And the last sentence is हवा आने दो, give me my space, give me my space. Okay, so these are some sentences, and for more you have to follow. Thank you.